Let's talk about why it's hard to save as a mom. A lot of us experience mom guilt because we see all the activities our kids could be doing, all the toys they could have, all the things, all the places they could go, and we say, oh, we should provide all this to our kid. I think the biggest problem with that is that we really haven't figured out what is enough. What is an adequate childhood? What is the healthiest childhood? I mean, these are hard questions to answer, but I don't think materialistic things are really the answer to that. So when we're feeling guilt, it's really important for us to check in with ourselves and see, is this really necessary for our child? Is this really going to totally positively impact their life? Or is this just going to be like some fleeting materialistic thing that they're going to enjoy for like a second and throw away and it's going to get old and become trash? So I know that mom guilt. I've felt it. And I think we all owe it to ourselves to really check in and start to define for ourselves like what is enough.